Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Most of us love to cherish sweets or desserts after meals. And festives and occasions are always filled with sweets. But many a time, I come across people who have to withhold themselves from these sweets or desserts, either because they are on a strict diet or sometimes due to health issues and medications. So, here is a healthy and delicious dessert recipe which can be taken even if you're on a diet or intermittent fasting. And this is a no fire and no cooking recipe. In this video, we're going to prepare a fruit payasam, also known as fruit kheer in some parts. So, let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to take a medium-sized ripe banana. The black spots on the banana indicates the ripening of the fruit. First, peel the banana and then cut to small pieces. I prefer to use the ripe plantains, but you may also use any variety of banana of your choice. Now, take it to a bowl and then let's mash the banana. This gives a dish a thick consistency and adds to flavor. Once done, keep it aside. And let's take the next fruit. Here I'm taking a portion of ripe papaya. So first let's peel the outer skin. We need just 1/3 portion of this full papaya. And then cut 1/3 portion of it. The banana and the papaya should be almost equal in quantity. Here we're going to cut the papaya to smaller pieces. This is a sweet dish, a kind of wet pudding which is very popular in the Indian subcontinent. Traditionally, it is made with vermicelli or lentils or rice in boiling milk with sugar or jaggery. But today we're going to prepare a no fire, no cooking version of fruit payasam. And then add to the bowl. So let's mash the papaya along with the banana. Keep little chunks here and there to get the bite of fruits in the kheer. Once done, keep it aside. And let's proceed with the next fruit, that is an apple. I'm taking a medium-sized apple. I prefer to use the red and sweet apple. So just like before, peel the fruit and remove the pit. Now cut to small pieces. And then add it to the bowl. Here in the bowl we have 3 fruits. Now simply mash them all together. All of these 3 fruits need to be mashed separately so that banana is mashed very well and the papaya is mashed with little chunks and the apple just needs to be crushed and combined. And finally, here we have the fruit base, ready for the preparation of kheer or payasam. So now it's time to add the other ingredients. For sweetness, I'm using jaggery powder. You can also use honey, maple syrup or jaggery syrup. Increase or decrease the quantity of sweetener according to your preference. So now let us give a good mix so that the jaggery melts and combines well with the fruit base. It's good to keep it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And here we have the jaggery perfectly blend in the fruit base. Now let's add a pinch of cardamom powder. And then I'm adding 2 cups of coconut milk. You can also use almond milk. Since this is a no fire and no cooking recipe, so it is ideal to store it in the refrigerator to retain the taste and quality if you're keeping it for a day or two. Then mix all together. And those of you on a weight loss journey or suffering from diabetes can also have this key recipe in smaller quantities without any guilt. I'm adding a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. And lastly, let's garnish with some black raisins. I'm adding some almond flakes. You can also use cashew nuts. And also, let's add some roasted black sesame seeds. This adds to a nice flavor and crunch to the dish. So we are almost done. Simply mix all together. And our special no fire, no cooking recipe of fruit payasam or fruit kheer is ready to serve. Isn't it such a quick and easy to make dessert recipe with no fire, no cooking and simple ingredients? Yes, it is healthy and delicious too. So why not give a try during festive seasons or when you have a craving for sweets and enjoy it guilt-free. So do try this special recipe of fruit payasam or fruit kheer and enjoy with your family and friends. And also don't forget to share with us your feedbacks. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.